girl. Nice job. Nice job. Nice roll over. Good job. Practice playing. And you don't want to say the name like a nagging spouse, because they'll learn to ignore. Steven? Nice job, girl. Steven? Just because it, yeah. I mean, there's all kinds of stuff that they do that's all pretty, pretty normal and standard. I mean, most people will ask me what is normal and why is it that they don't know how to play normally with girls.